Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm showing you how to enable voice chat in Roblox smoothly. If your voice chat isn't showing up, not working, or just confusing to set up, don't worry. By the end of this video, you'll have everything turned on, verified, and ready to talk with others in-game. Let's jump right in. First, you need to prepare your Roblox account. Log in to the Roblox website and head over to your settings by clicking the gear icon. Before anything else, check your birthday. Roblox requires voice chat users to be 13 or older. If your date of birth is incorrect and you can't change it, you'll need to create a new account with a birth year before 2011. Otherwise, voice chat won't unlock. Next, it's time to verify your phone number. Go to the phone number section, click add, and follow the steps to verify. Once you see the green check mark, you're good to move on. Now let's configure the most important part, privacy and communication. On the left side menu, open privacy and content restrictions, then go to content maturity. Set the slider to either moderate or restricted. Both allow voice chat features to work properly. After that, return to privacy and content restrictions and open the communication tab. Here, you should see an option for voice chat. Simply turn on enable microphone. If you don't see this option at all, go back to account info and click verify my age. Complete the ID verification process. Phone-only verification works in some regions, but not all. So be prepared to upload an ID if needed. Once that's done, Roblox will enable voice chat on your account. Now it's time for the in-game setup. Enter any Roblox game that supports voice chat. Open the game settings from the top left corner. Scroll to input device and select the microphone you want to use. Then pick your output device, either your speakers or headphones, and increase the volume if needed. Finally, click the unmute button at the top left of your screen and you're ready to start talking. If everything is verified and properly set, your voice should come through instantly. And that's it. You now have Roblox voice chat fully enabled and running smoothly. If this guide helped you out, make sure to like the video, subscribe, and drop a comment if you want tutorials on other Roblox features. Thanks for watching and enjoy chatting in-game.